Hi everyone, today we're going to go over how to create your own budget planner in Canva. So first, you want to go to the text area and choose your font and type in the title, the monthly budget or weekly budget, or however you want to name it. You want to choose any type of fonts that you want. I just chose a DM Sans, just a clean sans serif, and you just size it to however you want on the page. And the easiest way to get the table is type in table at the elements and you size it and you place it on the page, and you just kind of drag and pull out to however you want it. The next step, I want to make a little just a rectangular bar for the headline. So you just place it along the table on the top. What's nice about Canva is that it just kind of automatically sticks to the guidelines of whatever you created, so you don't have to go in there and just detail where it aligns. I'm just making a rectangular box so I can place a different note on the side. Just choose any color. I'm gonna go with a lighter gray for now. After that, I'm going to create another table because for a budget planner you want to know what your income is, what your expenses are. So you want to use different kinds of tables or columns to show what your spendings are or what your incomes are. So you grab the table. Well, it's not, sometimes it kind of gets stuck on top of the other elements. So let me just erase that and just copy and drag another table, another headline, and just copy and paste. And for each area, you want to choose a different color. I mean, it depends on what kind of style and color you want to make this your budget planner. But for this one, I'm going to make it colorful and go with different blues, lavender, greens for each section. So let's add a new title. So I go to the text on the left and I just use maybe a size 10, 12, smaller fonts to put the headline. So what is your income and when you got the income and how much. So let's place the headline on top, resize it, and just drag it to the middle of each column. Next is the date, and you could always switch it around or reword it however you want. I just copy and drag the same text and then I just rename it. So the second box I used as fixed expenses. You can kind of drag the text boxes to make it fit. You can drag the columns to resize it however you want. So I do the same for the next box. I just grab all the text. Grab all the text to the right side for another section. And then I will create another table on the lower part, if I can grab it. Oops. Okay, maybe it's better to just create a new table. So let's go back to our elements, grab the recently used table and just drag it down. Let's stretch it out to the size of the page. And if you click on the three dots, it gives you options where you can size the rows or columns equally, which is nice. You don't have to do it manually. And we'll grab the title bar, the headline bar again. I think I would have to move it down a little bit and drag it out. And voila. Okay. Let's change the headline for this. Other expenses. Move over the date and the amount to the middle of each box. And for this one, I will change it to savings. And again, it's so easy to customize in Canva. So you can just, change each of the headlines, see what your needs are, and then just customize it. And this is a very simple, just basic monthly budget, but you can spruce it up by adding image elements, stickers, different colors, use different fonts. Let's see, for this one I'll just make it a light yellow and then go to elements, and let's put a little tape, like a washi tape, just to give it a little fun added element. And I'll just use this heart washi tape. I just drag it over, resize it, and let's grab another text. And let's name it priority of things to buy, or however you want to word it. That's a little special area to note important or put emphasis on things you need to do. So I'm going to change the font, maybe a little bit more cursive or handwritten to just give it a little pop. Place it in the middle. Let's see if there's some other options. Maybe go to handwriting. I'll just choose. I'll just go with apricots for now. Make it a tad smaller, 24 size font. Maybe make the tape a little bit smaller to fit the title. And you can refine it, make sure everything else is aligned. Just play around with the look and feel and see what you like. And voila! Now the final thing you want to do is you want to save it. Press share at the right corner and you just download it. You want to download it as a standard PDF, or you can download it as a PDF for printing. So when you save it out as a PDF, you can bring it into GoodNotes and write your notes. You can print it out and just use it however you need to use it. So thanks for watching.